Today I decided to review the best cheap baking dish on Amazon in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I trying to list them based on that price, quality, durability and more. So let's get started with the video. At number 1, Pyrex. Made of non-porous glass that won't warp, stain, or absorb odors. Glass is preheated oven, microwave, fridge, freezer and dishwasher safe. Glass bakeware has large ergonomic handles for improved handling. 2-year warranty. Number 2. Rachael Ray. This non-stick baking dish is made from heavy-gauge steel for everyday use that resists warping. Long-lasting non-stick promotes excellent food release and easy cleanup. Colorful grippy handles offer a confident grasp. The baking dish is oven-safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 3. Pyrex. Made of non-porous glass that won't warp, stain, or absorb odors. Glass is preheated oven, microwave, fridge, freezer and dishwasher safe. Lid is BPA-free and top rack dishwasher safe. Glass bakeware has large ergonomic handles for improved handling. 2-year warranty. Number 4. Ôcuisine. Made with glass, the only glass that allows a direct usage from freezer to oven. Ôcuisine glass resists from 40 degrees to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. A healthy and hygienic material. Microwave and dishwasher safe. Number 5. Pyrex. Will not fit easy grab baking dish with holes in the handles. This lid does not fit the older dish that has handles on the length of the dish. Refrigerator, microwave and top rack dishwasher safe. So if you're looking for quality and price, then this would be the perfect option for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about these baking dish, you can check out the links in the description and the comment section below, and if you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.